My name is Achu Prakash. I am coming from Kollam, Kerala. I had completed QAQC Piping Engineering from Ambit Automation. I am going to perform liquid penetration test. For that, I have to check light intensity. Let's check the light intensity in decimeter. And above 300 plus prepared. As pre-cleaning. And apply penetrant. And wait 5 minutes. Good. And remove. And apply developer.